wow, I wasn't even talking that whole time. All right, let's restart. Guys, good morning. How y'all doing? This price action is absolutely insane. This is insane. Listen, shouts out to my Discord people. If you guys are from Discord, give me a random emoji in the chat. We have quite a lot to talk about today, which kind of makes me upset because yesterday I was gonna make a video talking about this exact same thing, talking about this pump that I thought was coming and that I kind of, you know, I knew was coming. And man, oh man, guys, honestly, yo, this is crazy. Today is crazy. So we're gonna talk about it. We're gonna dive in. Look at this, man. Also, we're in the Brinks box. Are we in the Brinks box? What time is it right now? Yeah, we're in the Brinks box right now. That is a Brinks box play if I've ever seen one. So, full disclosure real quick before we get into it. I did short from 30,200. So, we are short from somewhere up here. And, of course, we're long from last night. And these setups, guys, were given in advance in the VIP Discord. Let's pull it up here. Let me get my VIP Discord up. So I said it, guys. I said it many, many times. You know, ETH going to 1720. Here, we're gunning for the naked point of control. Yo, when I gave my long setup, look at this. Look, still in my long. So I gave the, guys, I've been long here, right here, right? So I've been long for a while now. Right there. This was what? 10:13. What's today? 10:16. So I've been long for like 3 days, guys. I've been long for 3 days. For a significant amount of time. Now, did I think that price was gonna pump as high as it did? Absolutely not. I did not think that it was gonna pump this high in the slightest. Let me just check the chat. Y'all can hear me now? Nice. We're getting those random emojis. All right. So, good morning, everybody. What in the world just happened? We had a 10% like 5-minute candle, honestly. I am up so much percent, it's not even funny. It's like actually not. Crazy, man. This is crazy. This is actually crazy. We're gonna talk about it real quick. Okay, first things first, guys, just to recap. We're gonna zoom out here, just to recap. Man, I wish I made this video yesterday. I was gonna make it today. I didn't know that the move was gonna happen today. Anyways, just to recap, we've been talking about these ugly highs for a long time. For like 3 weeks, we've been talking about this. More than that, even a month. 4 or 5 weeks even. We've been talking about this liquidity, and we absolutely just came in. We grabbed that liquidity. So although I was very bullish earlier this morning, I gotta say, I am leaning a little bit more bearish now because we took the liquidity. So now we got a lot of ugly lows that we can come and sweep, right? Very ugly lows. These are ugly lows. This is liquidity that we can absolutely come down towards, especially if you guys still can't hear me, or you can hear me now? No, you guys should be able to hear me. All right, especially, like, remember, this was our prediction. We thought 100%, and I was saying it, up 30K-ish and then down. And I think that this is the perfect catalyst to run everything down. I don't know, man. I don't know. This was crazy. I did not expect a move this big, this fast. No way. Didn't expect it. We're going to jump down the lower term time frames here. But now, all of a sudden, you know, the 4 hours looking kind of bearish. We have a huge bear. Oh, that was drawn a little bit too far back. We got a huge bear div with money flow now, right? Money flow. And we know money flow is king in market cipher B. Money flow is the filter. So, I don't know, man. This seems like the perfect catalyst. Pump price up. Guys, yo, let me zoom in. Guys, this is a 5-minute chart. Like, we moved up 2K and down 2K faster than you could say 2K. Absolutely crazy. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Guys, like the stream if you haven't liked the stream already. How many likes do we have? 15 likes, and I got 30 people watching right now. Can y'all hit the like button for me, please? All right, let's talk about what just happened. So apparently, I'm not the news anchor in the Discord. Shouts out to Hoser, but apparently Bitcoin ETF got approved and then it didn't get approved. It got approved and then it was said that it was fake news. Marty fake newsman, as the best UFC fighter Colby Covington would say. So what do we see now? Yo, like, to be honest, guys, I'm gonna be straight with y'all. This is like virtually untradeable. When Bitcoin is moving $100 like every tick here, it's virtually untradeable. Let's jump down on the lower term time frame. Yeah, like this is virtually untradeable. Unless you're a sniper and you have market cipher B, like me, and you can read this thing and you're the best market cipher reader on the planet, as I am, so humbly. Check it. Where are we short from? 62x. 446%. Short from where? 30,202. Y'all can see that. 30,202. Right at this line. 30,202. We are short. In addition to that, we are long from way lower. We are long from way lower, and we saw it from a mile away. So I'm gonna make a video on this later, but let's talk about it, man, guys. Why did I think that we were gonna go higher? Let's go back in time. Mine is this. I didn't think we were gonna go this high. No way. Let's get rid of this SFP. This is actually crazy. Now we can SFP up here. I don't think we will, but this is an important level now. Okay. First of all, we have like giga SFPs across the board here, man. Giga. This is a massive SFP. For those who do not know, SFP stands for swing failure pattern, which essentially is a liquidity grab, which right now, at least, as of right now, this 100% is a liquidity grab. You can see we got money flow. Very much so diverging alongside our momentum waves. So this could really give us a pretty significant move to the downside. Let me make this, man, price action is so crazy right now. If I press auto, it like still doesn't look good. All right, let's go back in time. Look at this, guys. How do we draw trend lines, right? We don't draw them like market makers draw trend lines. Whenever there's a liquidity grab, what will normally happen is we'll fake out to the upside and then either come down or fake up and then fake down. So if we're fake upping and then fake downing, where is the next place that we can come grab? Well, number one, all the liquidity that's down here, only to recover the vector candle that's found right over here. So that makes sense, right? But then here as well, there's like no one was tested on their longs really the entire this entire ride up. Over the past day or so, nobody was tested on their longs. Right now, in the immediate short term, what I think makes pretty good sense is to actually come down and take this low. Because nobody really, I mean, a little bit possibly, but not too much was anybody challenged on their longs for the past 5 days. So running and taking this line right here, if my name was the market maker, that's where I would run price to personally. Bro, the people that reported edited their tweet and put reportedly at the end. Yeah, man, that was the catalyst to go lower. Did they do this on purpose? Everything they do is on purpose, bro. Everything. The whole market is manipulation. The whole market, guys, listen. They don't move the market like it's not a game. It's not a game. It's a business, right? It costs money to move the market. Everything that they do is designed to wreck you. Everything that they do is designed to wreck you. You know, so everything they do is on purpose. 100%. 100,000%. So I do think that coming down here is now probable, to be honest, like pretty probable here. We're going to go on a shorter term time frame and start pulling and start doing some TA and fibs and stuff. I got to close some of my ETH long, I think now. I think we're going to come lower, man. Actually crazy. Anyway, I do think this area makes sense just based on market psychology, you know, Just based on market psychology, there's a lot of stop losses right now under this low. A lot of them. Abjeet, good morning. Duna, good morning. Jeff, good morning. Artie, good morning. Nick, good morning. Hoser, good morning. Jesse, good morning. Vanzin, good morning. ANW, good morning. Race to Ace, good morning. Dog of Crypto Street, what's up? Good morning. Grossma, good morning. Duffley, good morning. Zeus, good morning. Savin, good morning. Johnny, good morning. Johnny Bravo. All right. Let's go real zoomed in now. Enough about where I think. So I do think that this is probable. Whether they come for it right now, we'll see. But I do think that it is probable. I do 100% believe that it is probable that we're going to come down here now. Okay, let me give you guys some light at the end of the tunnel. Let's get rid of this line. We already know I'm short from here. I already took profits and stop losses at the entry, so this is a safe short. 100% win rate, win short now. But I am short from here. And this was, by the way, this short, I told y'all I took it on the VIP Discord stream, on the VIP Discord live stream. So if you're not in the Discord, make sure you join the Discord. All you heard was me screaming. Yeah. What was the reason for my short? The reason for my short was that we had a 10% 1 minute candle. Good morning, bro. Good morning. That was the reason for my short. And guys, I think we're coming lower, man. I think we're coming to at least now 26.5. This is crazy, man. Today's crazy. But listen, let me give you guys a little bit of light at the end of the tunnel for those who may have gotten trapped at the top. For those who are only discovering my YouTube now, which if you are only finding it now, my condolences to you. But the ones that are only finding it now, let me give you guys a little bit of light at the end of the tunnel for those who may have longed the top there. What do we know about vector candles? We know that vector candles like to get recovered. And of course, we left some vector candles behind us. So, as of now, man, we retraced 100% of that move. That is insane. As of now, to be honest, and I said this in my Discord, we are essentially, like, this price action really is kind of untradeable, right? It's all going to be a gamble. I don't like how this is colorful. It's all going to be a gamble. And, yeah, man. I just think it is very difficult to trade this kind of stuff. Let's see what levels we got. Bro, we just honestly wrecked through all the dailies, all the weeklies. Oh, we rejected actually exactly from a weekly level. And kind of a monthly level as well. We wrecked the order blocks up here. That's crazy. Anyway, some light at the end of the tunnel for you guys. Look at that, bro. We just took all the point of controls. Let's get rid of this. Boom, 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 boom. All right. Hear me out. Who is messaging me? All right. Light at the end of the tunnels, we left some red vector candles behind. All right. We left some vectors behind. To be completely honest, man, any TA right now is out the door. We blew by this entire weekly order block. We wicked it out, okay? I 100% now favor lower. We were getting divergences. However, as we know, whenever news events like this happen and as big as they are, obviously TA goes out the door. I do think we're going to make a run for the liquidity below. And we're going to find the levels here on stream together. So we're going to hide the point of controls for now. We're going to hide everything else for now. But as of now, for me, the only short I would take is the most basic short, which is the golden pocket. Perhaps I would take on the 0.5. Perhaps. Only because, let's see, actually. I wouldn't be too crazy on it, but only because technically speaking, we have a 3-minute order block right over here, and it'd be a recovery of the vector. So if we waked up and we tapped the 0.5, I probably like would consider it based on like depending on what market cipher B is doing. But I would consider entering around this area here, 28 point, let's say 29.1, 28.7 to 29.1. And I told you guys the problem is that the moves are so big. The moves are so big that like, you know, our ranges and our TA is kind of like irrelevant right now if I'm being straight with y'all. But our targets definitely are lower, and let's try to find some long zones now. We're gonna do some TA together on the fly. But before I do that, guys, make sure you like the video if you haven't already, like the stream, I should say. If you have not done so already, please and thank you. And shouts out to my Discord people. This move is insane, guys. This move was crazy. Yo, I didn't even know that. I didn't even know that that we were at 30K. I was on the VIP stream in the Discord, which by the way, VIP is free to enter. Man, I didn't even know we were at 30K. That was crazy, guys. That was crazy. Absolutely insane. Absolutely insane. All right. Let's try to find targets to the downside, guys, because I do think we're coming lower. So remember, my entire narrative for a long time now, and I said this in the video where I said, Uptober or Pumptober, whatever, is not as, it's not what everybody thinks. I did say that we were probably going to come down and sweep some liquidity. We bounced exactly from the level I gave in advance in the VIP Discord. And then I said that we have some pretty ugly, we got some ugly highs here. We got some pretty ugly highs here, and we absolutely just came up and we took that liquidity. So now, to paint the bigger picture, you guys know I'm not a big fan of shapes and the head and shoulders, knees and toes things. I don't know why somehow retail got grown men talking about head and shoulders, knees and toes, but there is your head and shoulders right there. So now I favor lower, and this wick across exchanges are inconsistent. So I absolutely 100% think we're coming down for it now. Now we swept the liquidity at the top. We have every reason to come down now. This is ugly AF. All right. So, guys, that's why you got to be super careful with these news events. I'm going to close some of my longs. I already took profits on everything, but I think we got to take some more profits. But we're going to dive in here. Let's try to see if we can find some areas that we can long here real quick. So, we have the SFP, cool. This line we don't need anymore. This line, yo, this is crazy. I think this actually might be the craziest day in crypto that I can remember anyway. In recent history. In recent like time. This must be. Now I'm gonna say this. The daily time frame, which is what actually like contributed to me. I mean, this is really why I was very confident, was the 12-hour green dot below the zero line with money flow still in the green. But the daily time frame does look like it has potential to keep it running. Now, we're not huge news traders. However, this is huge news. So, who knows, man? If we get a red dot here, this will be such a big div on the daily. What is the weekly doing? Weekly still looks like it's got some promising upside, but I don't know. I don't know. This is like, whenever there's news like this, it gets really complicated. ETF approval was fake, yeah. Yo, I don't know how they do that. Like, how do they make fake news like that so big to a point where it's so believed that the entire market, like, you know how many people just lost their homes? I'm not even joking, literally lost their homes. Absolutely insane, man. Absolutely insane. Guys, we got 56 people in the stream right now and only 34 likes. Please like the stream. This is the craziest day in recent compared to the BlackRock filed the ETF. Yeah, I don't even remember that. I don't know what happened. This is insane, man. Today's actually crazy. You think it? No. Listen, SRG, if you're in the stream right now, look, I want to say this. All weekend, I was saying ETH to 1720. Okay? All weekend. And if ETH followed Bitcoin, then it would have hit it. All the influencers are on it. Like the crypto influencers are like actual people that matter. Wait, let me just save this guy. All right. Someone was posting it on Twitter. Let's see this. Yo, that is crazy. What is it called? What is this account? Cointelegraph? Oh, don't mind that. All right, let's check this out. Where's the reportedly? Oh, did they delete the tweet altogether? Oh, wait, when was this tweet? Yo, that's actually crazy, bro. This is crazy. Man, I don't follow any of these accounts, so, you know. I'm not the news anchor here. It's Hoser. I don't know any of this stuff, but let's see. True potential lies in connecting whatever. Yo, you guys want to hear something? I'm actually not convinced that it's fake. What if it's not fake? What if it's true, they pumped it, then they reported that it was fake, so that they dumped it, but it's actually true, and then they're gonna pump it again? What if that just happened? Conspiracies, man. Conspiracies. Absolute crazy. Okay, let me like really come in here. Let's see where we can go in the short term. If we are to expect TA to even work right now, this short I'm gonna get rid of. You already know I'm in it. If any TA is gonna work right now, which I can't guarantee that it is, let's see where we can come to potentially. Okay, we're at the golden pocket right now. I don't like the golden pocket. I don't like this level. I think at least we're gonna come down to here. In my opinion, no longs until we take these lows. For sure, no longs until we take these lows. 100%. In my opinion. So let's make that an SFP. Definitely no longs here. This vector can get recovered, and we still have ugly lows down here. I do prefer this line down here so far. But let's see what we have. Let's see what we got around here. So let's pull up our levels. We got... Okay, monthly down there. Actually, let me see if I have any scalp zones already. Range TA. Honestly, guys, you heard it here first. 25 250 25.3 to 25.7 is looking very good right now. Looking very, very good right now. I think potentially we could come down to 26.3. But, I don't know. I think one of these two levels. I don't think there's any point in doing TA super locally, super short time frame. Just because, like, as you can see, you know, we just get blown out of the water. You get absolutely destroyed if you're doing that right now. Like, this candle was actually crazy. Let's go. Let me see where the yeah, we're in the golden pocket right now. Let's see if I can get more golden pockets, more GPs for you. This is crazy, man. This is actually crazy. Like, just absolutely ripped through all the levels. Yeah, okay. For me, y'all can scalp in and out all you like. For me, these are the only two boxes that I would consider even longing from right now. Even this SFP, I'm not convinced. I don't like it. I'm going to get rid of it. I don't even like it. I think we could potentially SFP these lows into this box and bounce. Or we could, just as we had a huge wick to the upside, get a huge wick to the downside and hit our box here. I think that those are probable. Do we know why it was pumping during the Asian sessions? It's just liquidity, man. It's just to grab money. We were long overnight. I made like, I 10x'd my account overnight, so. Whales are laughing right now. We are also laughing right now because we saw this coming. Not the pump and dump part. We saw the pump coming. Maximum pain, yeah. Maximum pain actually would be coming down to here. Maximum pain, like I'm talking max pain, which is coming, guys. I think it's coming now. I'm gonna make a video on it later today. But this low, I think we're coming for this low now. This low makes a lot more sense. But I will do like further analysis. But as for right now, let's get rid of this. We already know that this is strong support. Or we'll make it, I was gonna say cheaper. We'll make it smaller font. These are the only two levels right now that I'm interested in longing. And as we know, guys, if you're new here and you don't know, now you know, we did short as well. We did short from the top. We're short from 30,202. Up 446% right now. We took profits on the longs and everything was given in advance in my VIP Discord. So make sure you join, which actually reminds me, guys, when you join the Discord, the link is in the description. When you join, there's going to be a GeoBot up here. He's going to look like this. Where am I? How to join VIP. You're going to see my GeoBot right up here, and you're going to DM my bot the 4-digit code that I'm going to give y'all right now. It's going to be 8037. Okay, that's going to be the 4-digit code for this video. 8037. 8037. When the bot is live to enter my free VIP Discord. No, you're also gonna get purged again later. I'm not gonna lie, because I'm gonna make a video for that too. If BlackRock ETF gets approved in a few weeks, that means we go to 50K. 50K, bro? Are you sure? Are you sure? Because I don't know, man. 50K seems like a stretch. Let's talk 30K and holding 30K before we talk 50K. Let's talk 35K before we talk 50K. Anyways, these are the longs I'm looking for only. And man, as for shorts, I mean, we already caught the short. We already caught the short. We kind of YOLO'd it. I'm not going to lie. But the only short that I would even consider right now is probably around the 0.5 or the golden pocket. Probably here. This is the only short zone that I would kind of consider. And that's only if this order block gets broken through. So really, I guess this is the short zone. It would be like that. It's the only short I'm interested in right now. Only short I'm interested right now. Or if we take the high again, which I'm not so convinced that we're gonna do. The code is 8037. Absolute crazy, man. Mayhem. Absolute mayhem. Oh, JC is live right now? Yo, this is crazy, man. This is crazy. Actually nuts. Guys, like the stream if you haven't already. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. We were long from overnight and we're short from this morning, so absolute crazy. Listen, guys, y'all know my levels. I'm gonna update you in my VIP on Discord, so you can join by clicking the link in the description and DMing my bot the 4-digit code when he's awake, which I will awaken him when I end the stream. But join the Discord. Today's been crazy. I'm gonna make a video on this whole thing later today. So yeah, absolutely nuts. But guys, I am gonna head out today. Shorter stream. I got some stuff to do. But we are short from the top and we're long from the bottom. AKA we are schlong, baby. Let me show y'all. Hold on. Let me show you guys real quick. This is how we do it. Let me hide my stop losses. Don't need it. My Geo dudes. Where my Geo dudes at? Hold on. This right here. This is how we trade in my community, guys. These are my current positions. This is how we trade. Just like this. We are schlong. We are long from the bottom and we are short from the top. We schlong. Nah, I ain't gonna sell it. I still got work to do, but I do got things to do today. Man, that's why I wasn't even live from earlier, and that's why, like, man, I was taken so off guard. I was like, okay, I gotta get on live real quick. But I got some videos to make. Yo, this is actually crazy right now. You know what? Chill here with me, all right? Chill here. I'll be back. Give me like 5 minutes. 5 minutes, 10 minutes. I'll be back. The real ones know what I gotta go do. The real ones know. I'll be back. Guys, like the stream if you haven't already and join the Discord. And Bitcoin, something like that, man. Something like that. Y'all should have shorted my toilet. Okay, look, I'm not gonna lie, man. The 5-minute time frame, we still got money flow coming up. Got money coming in to Bitcoin right now. So, yo, my computer is mad laggy right now. So yeah, it looks like we're bouncing off of the golden pocket. Okay, let me get rid of my zones. Because to be honest, if we come down there, I'll get alerts. Yo, I heard apparently while I was sitting on the can just now, I heard that they got hacked or something. Maybe they got hacked. I don't know. Perhaps they got hacked. I really don't know. I really don't know. Looking 5 kilograms lighter. I am, bro. I am. Trust me, I am. But yeah, man, look, so we have the green dot here on the 5, and I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Let me pull up the Bollinger Bands. Let me see. So guys, I'm working on a Bollinger Band strategy for y'all. Working on a nice strat for you guys. So I have been using it lately. I have been using it. Yo, this is crazy though. This is actually crazy. Man, my computer's so bugging. Y'all see this? So the 5-minute time frame looks like it still has some gas, man. We got some vectors to come and recover as well. So let's see what happens, guys. I'm sorry for this lag. I don't know what's going on. The content is too fire today. The market's too fire today. It's making my laptop heat up. But yeah, man, we'll see. We'll see. I want to come up to this zone. If we can come back up to 29K, yo, this is crazy that this is the 3-minute time frame and the rate and like it's that much, like price action is that wide on the 3-minute time frame. But yeah, I want to see what happens if and when we come back up to 28.7. This is a short zone in my opinion. This zone over here. I would say more so the white box than the blue box. Let's make this like this, okay? So right here, this white box is kind of where I'm more interested in. More so than the blue box, but this is a short zone. So we'll see what happens if we come up there. Let's see if we got any golden nuggets here. Let me check if we got any golden nuggets. Shouts out to the people that know what golden nuggets are. Yeah, I don't know if we're going to make it up there, man. We'll see. We'll see. Money's coming out on the 1, so we'll absolutely see what's happening right now. I tied the Bollinger Bands for now. I don't want to give y'all all the sauce. Guys, good morning. If you have not already liked the stream, please do so. Let's do a poll here. What's next? 30K? Or we'll do what comes first? 30K? Or what did we say was the other level? 26K, right? Where was that tick level? The one down here. Let's say what comes first, 30K or 26K? Do me a favor and react to that if y'all don't mind, please. CoinGraph is apologizing. Cointelegraph. I mean, yeah, someone's gonna get sued, bro. Someone's gonna get murdered. Ooh, am I allowed to say that word on YouTube? I'm sorry, YouTube. I take it back. I didn't mean it, I swear. All right. Man, I don't know, guys. Like, you see it here, right? We had the bear divs on the 15. We had the money flow coming out, and then also, why am I stuttering so much today? What's wrong with me? Also, we got, what do we got, guys? What is this called? We got the golden nugget on the 1 hour time frame. And if y'all don't know what the golden nugget is, get in my Discord. It's my little market cipher B trick. Oh, everybody thinks 26K. Okay, I think 26K also. But we'll see. We will see. That was crazy, man. Today was actually crazy. I'm gonna make a video. I'm gonna do like full analysis. Look at Solana. Sol is doing a good job of recovering here. Sol is doing a very good job of holding its ground. All right, let me check my balance right now. How are we doing on my balance? How's ETH doing? ETH is holding. Oh, ETH dumped harder than Bitcoin did. Yo, I'm honestly surprised that that ETH didn't move as much as Bitcoin did, or not even close. Like ETH moved 3% while Bitcoin moved 10%. I'm very surprised. I was expecting higher, to be honest with y'all. I was expecting much higher. But yeah, man, we'll see. We're probably going to range here for a little bit. Perhaps we come up, grab this liquidity right over here in our order block zone. Whoops. In our order block right over here, and then we send the price down. Perhaps something like that will happen. Let's come on the 5. Let's see. Might not happen right this instant. Let's come on the 15. Guys, I've been loving the 15-minute time frame lately, and the 10-minute. The 10-minute, I think, is my favorite time frame right now. But yeah, perhaps we come up. Is this my golden pocket as well? Let's get rid of that. I guess. So these are the only shorts that I would be looking at, but the white box is more relevant in my opinion than this box up here. We do have the vectors that we can come and recover, but I don't know, man. We got money flow up. Like, for sure, I don't see us coming back up to 30.6. Like, that's insane. That is actually crazy. What is everything else doing? I haven't even taken a look here at the market. Wow, storage after all that is down. How much did storage move? 5%. Bitcoin Cash was up a decent amount as well, I saw. Jeez, man, that's crazy. Oh, how's stock? Oh, my poor AMC. My poor AMC. Okay, some of y'all are starting to say that that 30K is coming first. Interesting. Interesting. Perhaps I should have made it 31K. Big perhaps. I don't know, man. If we're building the narrative, it makes more sense to come down now. What is the Dixie doing? Let's check the Dixie. I'll tell you this. I'll tell you this. I drew this box on the Dixie. Okay. We rejected from the box, from dead center of the box. These are vectors that can come and get recovered right over here. Okay. This is a zone that the Dixie can 100% come to. If Dixie starts to make its way down to this box here, Bitcoin ain't done. Right? Bitcoin ain't done. And it looks like we are actually headed that way. Market cipher B does not look too hot on the Dixie right now. We got a 3-hour cheat sheet entry. Oh man. This actually could bring us down substantially on the Dixie. Meaning that Bitcoin and alts will continue to make their way up. If it plays out, obviously. Let's see what TR. Actually, this is not a cheat sheet entry because we're above the 50 EMA. So, let's see. Yeah, I'm not too sold on Dixie dumping down to here. Not yet. You're up 28% on your account. But you feel like you lost money? That's funny, man. I'm up, how much percent? Yeah. Okay, at one point I was 10x my balance, and now I'm currently, give or take, like 7x. I took profits already, so I'm chilling. But I'm like 7x on my profits. So I'm like 700% on my total account. That's how confident I was last night going to bed, saying that we were coming up today. Very easy, man. Very, very easy. Super easy to tell. Dancing, yeah. All right, let's see. How do I draw this box? I don't even know how I do it. Is it a golden pocket? Yeah. Very easy, man. Very easy. Very, very easy. All right, let's come back to BTC. Let's see what's going on here. So the 5 looks good still. 5 is looking good. 5 is looking like we got some juice. 5 is looking like we got some juice here. We'll see. We got our alerts in place. Look at that. Close swing long level. My alert didn't even go off. Price moved so quick, my alert literally did not even go off. Guys, like the stream if you haven't already. Hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. Because we've been nailing the entries in the Discord. Nailing them. Absolutely nailing them. Woo. Okay, guys, I think I'm going to head out. I got to make a video for y'all. And I think we're just going to range here. We're just going to range for a little while. In my opinion, we're gonna dance around here before faking out to the down and then coming up, or we're gonna dance around here before faking up and coming down. One of the two, either that or that. And I will update you guys in the VIP Discord. And these are my zones currently if you want to write them down. These are my zones. Zoom out here because this price action was absolutely crazy today. These are my zones. No positions are to be taken until one of these boxes are hit, in my opinion. Unless you're super scalping. There is no reason for prices to go back. Do you mean prices to go back as in back up or back down? Like there's no reason for price to come up or for price to come down? Which one are you referring to, sir? Let's address it. I hope you mean there's no reason for price to go back up. Because as of now, my bias is down. Yeah, I agree. I agree that there's no reason for price to go back up. Like, okay, to take the high. To take the high, I agree. To take the high, I agree. No reason. We got bear divs across the board. But I don't know, man. When crazy news events like this happen, really anything can happen. You know, we still got thick money flow. And I gotta say, I gotta be honest about this. Like, the daily time frame. Guys, the daily time frame looks so freaking bullish. Not the wick. Not, like, I'm talking market cipher B. Market cipher B looks so good on the daily time frame that this could, although market psychologically it doesn't make sense to come back up right now, at least, which I agree with. The daily time frame, you guys cannot ignore it on market cipher B. Man, it looks so good. It looks so bullish. But I will say this: in order for us to maintain proper bullish market structure, we have to close above 28523. Must close above level. I'm gonna make this thick, and we're gonna put some alerts here on this line. So today's daily close is very important. If we close above 28530, then I think we continue higher. Perhaps we come down first, sure. But today's close specifically is so important. This is like too thick. I don't like it. So important. And the reason why it's important is because if we're following market structure, right, we're on the daily time frame. Let's hide our levels. Okay, if we're following market structure, then we have down, down, up, higher, low, higher, high, higher, low, higher, high, higher, low somewhere, and then higher, high, right? But if we SFP this level, then this all of a sudden becomes a targeted low, right? It becomes a weak low. Meaning, if it's a weak low, then like we are expecting to break it, which now if we break, then that will change market structure from bullish to bearish, right? Because it's like this right now. So it should be higher, low, higher, high. But if it's not higher, low, higher, high, it would be lower, low. Then we can get a retracement and then send her down, right? Basic market structure 101 right there. Of course, bear divs because it went up like 15% since last night. Yup. So very important, man. Very important. This level, I think we're just gonna chill here, to be honest, for the rest of the day. I think we're gonna hang around here. Nothing really too crazy is gonna go on anymore. I think we're gonna close below, and then, you know, we'll see. I'll make a video on it though later. Look at the 3-day market cipher B. The 3-day doesn't, like, okay, yes, theoretically, we have a green dot. But you guys gotta understand the thing about the green dots, man. You don't just long green dots. Like, I think the 3-day doesn't look as bullish as you may think it looks. The daily looks bullish. The 18-hour looks bullish. The 2-day looks more bullish. The 3-day doesn't look that good to me, personally. And the weekly looks very bullish. Like, very, very bullish. So we'll see how high we go. Of course, we're going to be looking for longs, as we do, as we're going to look for shorts too. So whichever way price goes, we're going to smash it anyway. Because it don't matter. Because we schlong around here. Right now, I'm currently in a schlong. Guys, once I have a template that can cover my position sizes, because I don't think it's anyone's business or beneficial, I can show you my live trades. But right now, this is currently the situation that we are in. 1 second. And by we are in, I mean I am in. These are my current positions right now. So we're short. We're short from 32.02. We're long from 26.798. We are schlong, baby. Mad schlong. The daily trigger wave was it. Yep. Daily looks bullish, man. Daily does look bullish. I agree with that. In terms of market cipher B, the daily time frame does not look so, like the candles does not look so bullish anymore. We came up too quick and we came down too quick. But we got a few hours left. More than a few. We have like 10 hours to really like get above this level here. So this is a very important close, guys. Everybody on your chart right now. 2-8. Is that 623 or 523? Am I going blind? Okay, 28623. Very, very important level to close over. Very important. Probably the most important. I'm not even joking. Listen to me right now. Listen to me. Today is probably the most important daily close. In how long? I would say that today is the most important daily close for the next, for the next 6 months, honestly. Today's a very important day. This is probably the most important level now that was just created today in the last 6 months or so. Last year even. And I think today, this is the most important daily close for the next 6 months. So we'll see how it goes. We'll see what happens. We will see what happens. Guys, if you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Hello, hi, good morning. Today's crazy price action. We are schlong. Make sure you join the Discord. The link is in the description down below. And make sure you join the VIP Discord by DMing my bot the 4-digit code that I actually don't remember right now. Let's pull it up. By DMing my bot the 4-digit code that you hear. Is my screen frozen? No, it's not. Okay. That you hear which is what is the code? 8037 is this stream's VIP code. This stream's VIP code. ROI. Oh, proof that the move was manipulated. Yeah. I mean, oh, is this Cointelegraph's account cashed out? Yo, that's crazy. Wow, they cashed out exactly at the top. That's insane. Crazy, crazy. Anyways, guys, I'll have a bot at the top right. His name will be GeoBot. As such, Mr. GeoBot, you DM him the 4-digit code after this video and after I purge him, and you'll have access to my VIP Discord for free, where I give you guys the levels in advance. I give you guys the entries in advance. I tell you what I'm doing in real time, and I give you guys my idea on the sentiment of the market. And I'm also gonna start moving my YouTube streams over to Discord only for the VIP members. So about like halfway through streams, we're going to be moving to Discord. Had to run and get a new mouse and missed it, man. We'll see, man. Everybody right now, you heard it here first. 2-8. What is this level? 28623 is the most important daily close for the next 6 months. Today's the most important day for the next 6 months. And the reason why is if we close below this level, then this becomes a targeted low, in which case I absolutely think we're coming for this low down here. And if we close above it, then we're going to get a pullback and then aim for higher. So very important, but I'll make a video on it. Okay, guys, we've been streaming for 1 hour and 10 minutes. At this time, I'm going to peace out. Make sure you join the Discord. The 4-digit code is 8037, which VIP will be purged now. So make sure you join. And of course, I'll give you guys my updates throughout the day, and I'll keep you updated based on this level and what I think Market Cipher B is going to do. Guys, I'm going to go. I am the most eloquent, is the right word, potentially. Maybe it's not. Reader of Market Cipher B. I am a Market Cipher connoisseur. I am an expert. I am the #1 reader of this indicator on the planet. Humbly, of course. So guys, join the Discord. Join the VIP Discord. I got MEXC links in the description down below. If y'all want to help me, if you want to help support me for free, but today's not even about that, man. Today's not even about that. So I ain't gonna shell it, but I'll do it in the video later today. All right, guys, I'm out. Peace out. God bless. Take care. I hope y'all made a bag like I did. I gave you guys everything last night. So we can't say this wasn't expected. I didn't expect to come that high that quick. But we can't say it wasn't expected. I'll keep you guys updated in the Discord. Peace out.